Plymouth Dusters are interesting members of the muscle car world. They came in late to the game, with the first models appearing in 1970 and running until 1976. Anyone who knows the history of the fuel crisis of the early 70s, rising insurance rates for fast cars, and new emission controls choking out performance, understands their unlucky timing. The good thing is that today, the Duster is a great platform to personalize, like this clean 1974 Duster that came to visit the V8 Speed Resto Shop. Dusters are lightweight cousins of the Dodge Dart, and they share many of the same suspension and mechanical parts with the Dart. This one was born with a 318 and a 2-barrel carb, but now it sports a built 360 V8, even though the stickers all say 340. The suspension was beefed up with performance strut rods, shocks, and a sway bar, and it has disc brakes up front with an 8¼ inch rear end. The stock 74 360 made 245 horsepower, but this one has been modified with a performance cam, aluminum heads and intake, headers, performance ignition, and a Demon carb. The V8 Speed crew tuned the carb with an oxygen sensor and a wideband air-fuel meter to dial in the air-fuel ratio for snappy performance. This Duster features a 4-speed manual transmission with a bench seat for a street racer feel, and a custom dash houses autometer gauges. The suspension has been rebuilt, and the car feels like a much bigger car going down the road. The original blue is set off by the chrome bumpers and Mopar rally wheels. Rowing a bench seat 4-speed behind a torquey small block is great fun, and this car delivers with performance and a great exhaust note that never gets old. The V8 Speed Resto Shop team performed many repairs and upgrades on this cool Duster, enhancing the reliability and performance for a lot more driving fun. What does your classic or muscle car need? You can contact us at v8speedshop.com to find out how we can add some snap to your classic or muscle car.